Hi, I'm Michael Swami, and for you today I'm going to make a simple, easy recipe called a Spanish omelette. It may look difficult, but it's actually quite simple to make. All you need is some potatoes, some onions, some eggs, salt and pepper. There is no actual recipe for this. You just have to go with the flow of it. Let's heat some oil first. Once the potato has been peeled, do not wash it again. Just slice it fine along with some chopped onions. So there you go, some potatoes. I've got some chopped onions already. Add the chopped onions to a clean bowl. Potatoes. So I've got the oil. The oil really needs to be hot for this. Once the pan and the oil is hot, lower the flame before adding in the potatoes and the onions. For the potatoes to cook, that's going to take about 4 to 5 minutes. So it is essential that the oil is hot so that it drains out the water and cooks all the carbs together. Take about 3 or 4 eggs, a tablespoon of cream, a good pinch of pepper, and an equally good pinch of salt. You've got to whisk it lightly, not too much. This should be just about right, just light and airy, but not too much air into it. So just get the potatoes to a nice golden brown. Turn the flame on low. Move it aside to drain off the excess oil. Add the hot potato to the egg mixture. So just give it a slight mix in the bowl. Why have I added the hot potato to the eggs is because it helps slightly cook the egg whilst it's in the bowl. This makes it a little faster to cook whilst it's in the pan. So you've got a fresh pan. Some olive oil, I've added some hot oil to the pan. It is very essential that the pan is hot and the oil is warm before I add in all the mixture to it. In goes the potato and egg mixture. Flip the omelette, leave it for a couple of seconds, and then begin your plating. A plate. Garnish it with some parsley. A few edible flowers. Now, wasn't that easy? It may have looked hard, but it's really a simple dish. The Spanish omelette is yours to try out at home. And if you like this recipe, do subscribe to our channel. It's Hopping Chef.